In today's crowded markets, product positioning isn't just a marketing exercise, it's a strategic foundation for business success. Positioning is the process of defining how your product is perceived in the minds of your target audience relative to competitors. Done well, it gives buyers a clear reason to choose your product, aligns teams around a common vision, and directs resources to what matters most. Effective product positioning starts with robust data collection and analysis. This means gathering detailed information about your and your competitors' products, such as data sheets, web links, analyst reports, customer feedback, market research, data from customer review sites, and any reliable intelligence on competitors. These are uploaded into a purpose-built AI agent with built-in templates for supporting product marketing use cases, such as positioning and messaging. The AI agent examines the data sources to identify your unique value proposition. This is the core benefit or promise that differentiates your product and resonates most with your ideal buyers. The next step, the AI agent, it distills these findings into a concise positioning statement. This statement captures, in a single sentence, what makes your product unique and why it's the best fit for your target market. Providing clarity and specificity are key. Generic claims rarely stand out. But positioning isn't just about words, it's about visualization and strategic analysis. One proven technique is to use a 2x2 positioning chart. The AI agent selects two dimensions that matter most to your buyers, such as price versus performance, ease of use versus feature depth, or scalability versus customization, and maps your product and key competitors on a simple grid. This visual approach instantly reveals where your product excels, where competitors may have an advantage, and where there's white space or unmet needs in the market. This kind of analysis is powerful for several reasons. It helps clarify your product's strengths and weaknesses, guides messaging and marketing strategies, and informs product development priorities. It also provides a clear, actionable summary for leadership and cross-functional teams, complete with a positioning statement, visual comparison, and bullet point recommendations for next steps. Importantly, a data-driven approach to positioning ensures your strategy is grounded in reality, not assumptions. The AI agent may also flag any gaps in the data or areas that need further research. These should be addressed over time to gain the highest quality insights that drive your product and go-to-market strategies. By investing in thoughtful, evidence-based product positioning, organizations can sharpen their competitive edge, focus on what truly matters to customers, and drive sustained business growth. Take your team's productivity to the next level. Head to Knoh.ai to learn more.